Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be installing some roll bar protection by Xomzema. These are some rubber pieces that stick over the roll bars and they're going to help stop getting scratches from the soft top as you open it up and as you put it back up. So let's go check them out.
A big thank you to Xomzema for providing the product for this video. This kit comes as a set of 4 pieces, and they're contoured to fit the shape of the roll bar. As you can see, they're a soft, flexible rubber and have 3 strips of 3M style adhesive on the back. And they're clearly marked left and right to make installation really easy. The first step is to remove the windows from your soft top. It gives easy access to the roll bar. Give the area a good clean to make sure they stick down well. I went ahead and did a test fit first. I wanted to make sure that the seam lined up nicely and that they just contoured exactly how I wanted them to. When I was happy, I peeled off the center strip and just peeled back the outer ones by about 3 inches. I then put the panel on the roll bar, pressed down firmly and stuck the center in place. I then removed the 2 red backing strips on the edges and pressed it down firmly. I then went ahead and did the exact same process for the next panel. And now you can simply repeat the same process on the other side. Clean the area thoroughly, do a quick test fit, place them, and then stick them down. I pulled the Bronco out into the sun so you can get a better look at them. and here you can see them in action as I put the top down. As you can see, they offer the perfect amount of protection as you put the top back. They're not bulky at all, and there's loads of clearance.
So there you go, another really easy install. I recently had an issue where I had to have the roll bars repainted. The PPF had to come off of there that I'd already put on there. They were painted, and now today I've gone and put on this protection kit. That rubber should really protect the roll cage as you open and lower the soft top. It's a really nice quality, it's well stuck down on there, and it's rubber. I thought it was going to be plastic, but it's not, it's rubber, which means it's going to bend and conform slightly as well. Hopefully there's going to be no more chances of scratches on the roll bar. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.